Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the phonic sound of the letter A. A says ah. A says ah. Let's hear a story for the same. The Smith family is going on a picnic. The children help their mother pack the food. Adam packs the apples. Annie helps to make the jam sandwiches. At last, they are ready and set off for the picnic. When they arrive, they sit down, spread out a cloth, and lay the food on it. Annie rubs her arms. Something is tickling me, she says. Something is tickling me too, says Adam, eating his apple. Annie shouts, ah, 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 ants. They all look at Annie and see some ants crawling up her arm. They all jump up. There are ants all over the picnic cloth. Oh dear, says Dad. We must have put our cloth over an ant's nest. They pack up their things and move to a nicer spot. So, what did Annie say when the ants started crawling on her arms? She says, ah, ah, ants on my arms, ah, ah, ants on my arms, ah, ah, ants on my arms, they're causing me alarm, ah. A says, ah. A says, ah.